How to change time code display on Blackmagic camera. So if you're using the Blackmagic camera and you want to change the time code display, so instead of having the Blackmagic camera to display the record timer here, you want to change it to the time of the day, or you want to change it from time of the day to the record timer here while using the Blackmagic camera on your phone, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to change timestamp display on your Blackmagic camera, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Blackmagic camera. Once open the Blackmagic camera on your phone, then click on settings at the bottom right. Then under the settings, go to record and then locate timecode display and click on it. There are two options available here under timecode display. You have record run or time of day, which is TOD. So if you select TOD and then you come back to the camera page, then if you see the TOD, currently the time is 7:53:41 seconds. So if you want to only show the record run on your Blackmagic camera so that each time you record, you're going to see the time code display here instead of the time of the day, then that is basically how to change or how to replace record run with time of day or time of day with record run on Blackmagic. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.